Bhitarkanika. This is a place where nature talks. Animals roam freely here with the blessings of the surrounding forest, river and the sea. Birds soar higher in the sky with confidence and freedom, endowing man with wings of wonder and amazement, who are frequently drowned in the matchless beauty of the place. Situated on the coast of the Bay of Bengal, surrounded by hypnotically charming mangrove forest, green and mesmerizingly beautiful land, this is Bhitarkanika. Bhitarkanika is a national park located in Kendrapada district of Odisha in eastern India. The national park is surrounded by the Bhitarkanika Wildlife Sanctuary. The Gahirmatha beach, which bounds the sanctuary to the east, separates its swamp region covered with a canopy of mangroves from the Bay of Bengal. It is confined to the deltaic region of River Brahmani and Baitarini. The park, with rich biodiversity, is home to saltwater crocodile and many other species of flora and fauna. Bhitarkanika is a portmanteau of two Odia words, Bhitara meaning interior and Kanika meaning that which is extraordinarily beautiful. The Bhitarkanika mangroves were zamindari forests until 1952. The government of Odisha later abolished the zamindari system and placed the forests under the control of the State Forest Department. The following years saw heavy influx of intruders, and this took a heavy toll on the mangrove forests. Large-scale encroachment on forest land took place due to expansion of agriculture. In 1975, an area of 672 square kilometer was declared as a Bhitarkanika Wildlife Sanctuary. In the same year, the famous Crocodile Conservation Project was initiated, and in September 1997, the Gahirmatha beach, which is one of the world's largest mass nesting ground of endangered olive ridley sea turtles, was declared as a marine life sanctuary, which finally led to the creation of the Bhitarkanika National Park in September 1998 with 145 square kilometer core area of Bhitarkanika Wildlife Sanctuary. In 2002, Bhitarkanika mangroves, which are the second largest mangrove ecosystem in India, were designated as Ramsar Site, a wetland of international importance. Mangroves are characteristic salt-tolerant forest ecosystem of tropical and subtropical intertidal regions, which typically occur on sheltered mudflats between high and low tide level in areas with high annual precipitation. Described as coastal woodland, they are also known as tidal forests or deltaic swamp forest. Bhitarkanika has a rich diversity of mangroves in India, extend over 145 square kilometer area, comprising 94 rare and endangered species. The mangrove ecosystem is a dynamic ecosystem which provides flourishing flora and fauna. About 28 species of mammals, 14 species of amphibians, 42 species of reptiles, 285 species of birds can be witnessed in Bhitarkanika. More than 300 plant species have also been enumerated here. Bhitarkanika is home to mammals such as sambar, spotted deer, wild boar, fishing cat, leopard cat, hyena, porcupine and smooth Indian otter. Among the reptiles, saltwater crocodiles, monitor lizard, Indian python and king cobra are commonly found. Birds such as Indian skimmer, white-bellied sea eagle, bar-headed geese, Brahmini duck, pied avocet, spot-billed pelican, lesser adjutant stork, mangrove pitta, Goliath heron, painted stork, spoonbill, ibis, moorhen and grey hornbill can be seen here. The mudflats and wetlands of Bhitarkanika are suitable living ground for the crocodiles. Bhitarkanika has one of the largest populations of endangered saltwater crocodile in India. Nearly 1,671 saltwater crocodiles inhabits its rivers and creeks. Some of them are reportedly 23 feet long, making Bhitarkanika Park an appropriate habitat for large individuals. Bhitarkanika also serves as a breeding ground for the crocodiles. A crocodile rearing center has been set up here at Dangamal. Around 3,000 saltwater crocodiles were born during 2014 annual breeding and nesting season, as per the officials. Bhitarkanika also holds one of the unique wonders of nature. The Bogogohana, where once in a year about 120,000 migratory birds from abroad arrive for wintering and about 80,000 resident birds from different parts of India come for nesting during monsoon season. It has been noticed that about 17 species among them are rare and endangered. They stay the entire season and fly away with their offsprings, bidding goodbye to the place for a year. About 166 species of birds can also be seen at the neighboring beach of Gahirmatha, where migratory birds like pelican, Siberian duck and seagulls frolic frequently. The congenial habitat of Bhitarkanika, coupled with microclimatic conditions, enable to harbor high magnitude of flora and fauna diversity. The lush green mangrove forests, the energy-emitting open blue sky, basking crocs on the mudflats of the creeks, murmuring birds in the branches of mangroves are all the glorious scenes visitors of Bhitarkanika strive to see. A boat ride between the creeks here offers its visitors a rare opportunity to witness one of the greatest biodiversities in the world. Spotted deers, wild boars, crocodiles, 7 species of kingfishers and several more species can be seen here at major locations. They greet you and welcome you with their humble gestures as you pass them along the riverbeds. A boat ride from Khola, which is one of the gateways into the sanctuary, offers a glimpse of the estuarine ecosystem of Bhitarkanika. The best time to travel through this creek is early morning or before sunset. Visitors can also take a walk in the nature trail of Habali Khati and Bhitarkanika forest block. Bhitarkanika has a very rich historical and cultural past. It used to be the hunting grounds of the erstwhile king of Kanika. The hunting towers and artificial watering holes can be seen at many places, including Bhitarkanika Trail and at Dangamal. It is also home to medieval Hindu temples which dot the expanse of the sanctuary. Bhitarkanika is an ideal place to celebrate the existence and importance of nature. While the common man finds joy, peace and tranquility here, Scientists, scholars, nature lovers find abundant opportunity for thought and exploration. Water sport, eco-cottages, marine voyages, nature trails are the major attractions for visitors. A tour in the museum in Dangamal is another learning and informative experience for the tourists. Tourists can also avail souvenirs at the shop inside the sanctuary. Tourists can find comfortable stay at various ecotourism cottages available at Gupti, Dangamal and Habalkhati in the sanctuary. Cottages can also be booked online in advance at www.ecotourodisha.com. As the sanctuary lies near the Bay of Bengal, the weather here remains wet and humid throughout the year. The temperature varies from 14 degrees Celsius in winter to 40 degrees Celsius in summer. The best time to visit Bhitarkanika is between October and March. The entry point to the sanctuary is at Gupti, Dangamal and Dhamra. The nearest town to Bhitarkanika is Chandbali, which is at a distance of 35 kilometers. The railhead in proximity to the park is at Bhadrak at a distance of 80 kilometers, and the nearest airport is in Bhubaneswar at a distance of 160 kilometers. Bhitarkanika is packed not only with ecstasies for the tourists, but the area also holds paramount importance for the environment. The roots of mangroves seen here possesses power that can hold the earth beneath it with exceptional strength, protecting the land from sea tides, cyclones or calamities. The sanctuary, which is surrounded by life-giving Brahmani, Vaitarani, Dhamra, Patsala River and Gahirmatha sea coast, is a garden of Eden with numerous species who wander freely in this sanctuary. The place, which was once a hunting ground where animals were tortured and killed, now protects them. This is nature. This is a power it possesses over time.